Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. I wanna need a ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm here remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, as expected, the Vybz Kartel track Drone Them is now the #1 trending track, viewers and subscribers. Yes, and as I say, as expected. But me I talk about a specific comment when I say one proud Gaza supporter, Blessed Gaza Diva, she said without controversy and the facts that the artist is still currently behind the bars and still a trend on the tube. And we have to point that out. Now viewers and subscribers, we also see little vibes and little addy on the same rhythm of a track, something towards the fashion. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna play a snippet and then we're gonna do a continue the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. So let's do what the youth them a say.
Feel like we're me and where I'ma feel like we're when you feel like we're me and where I'ma feel like we're.
But as I say a long time we know so the youth them are ready for the road. Little Addy have him track $sign. Little Vybz is featured on the track with him father fully Gaza. Now viewers and subscribers, some people that wonder why we never get the follow-up tracks since those tracks. But you have to remember so the youth them are focus on academics too at the same time. So you know what I mean? Yeah, you have to have your thing on a schedule. But them drop that track, viewers and subscribers. I know Gaza Nation are going to support the youth, them viewers and subscribers. Music is obviously one of the youth them passion. You don't know the youth them are youth, them probably have a whole heap of different endeavors, things that they want to pursue in a life. But music is obviously one of the talents where God give them. Them a do it. Them definitely I do it. As I'm point out, $sign already gone past the 1 million mark. Fully Gaza already gone past the 1 million mark, viewers and subscribers. And in a music in this day and age with the advent of technology, that is also one form of certification. When you can drop a track and see 1 million views on it, then obviously 1 million eyeball are seen where you are put out there. And when you see the likes and the comments, you can get the response, real-time response, and get to say yes, alright, the industry react well. Them like the track, them a look for more music. Same thing with Fully Gaza, you know what I mean? Yeah, but now I go around the track, like the vibe, the G say you was jeans, Bank Rubber Clark, same thing there. But you can wear where you like, you know what I mean? Yeah, something where teacher would have say, when me hear the line, them I definitely I say, yo, that sound like something with Vybz Kartel would have say, obviously that dog you them. Viewers and subscribers, it's a good look. Got to see when, you know what I mean, young dancehall artists that get involved with the music, because as I say, one artist can't do it. We need a multitude of artists to top the charts so that the genre can rise to a next level. The bar can be raised, viewers and subscribers. So anytime I say new artists are forward in the game, and we can still consider them new artists, it's just that them have a legacy. Yes, they are part of a legacy in a dancehall music at this point in time. Yeah, them just need for right now. Do what them do. Focus on them academics. You know what I mean? You don't know. As a proud parent, teacher would have definitely tell them say you have to do that. Focus on that. Get that deal with. Get that out of the way, and then you can focus on music if a music is your passion, a music is what you want to do as a career. You know what I mean? So at this point in time, the G must give you something for the fans. As the Vybz Kartel they do, drop a release so that fans can know. Say, yeah man, we still about music, we still deal with it, we still visit the studio from time to time, and we still find the rhymes where some other artists missed. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, drop in the comment section, know what your thoughts. The fact say Vybz Kartel track is right now currently trending. I have to point out this too as well, viewers and subscribers. At the point in time when the track started trending, it did a 632k views. Still not at the 1 million mark, with 34k likes and only 420 dislikes. I don't know who them 420 people are. But viewers and subscribers with 632k views and managed to be the #1 trending track. Obviously this is the most talked about track. And at this point in time, remember, as a Rygin King would have said, we have a dancehall splash a go on. And a still Vybz Kartel track. Drone Them are trend, viewers and subscribers. The king. Know what I mean? Yeah, we hear Massacre say recently, him have the throne in mind. At this point in time, all him can do is keep it in mind. We don't really see no dancehall artists at this point in time. But take the crown from Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. If you know a new comment, give me in the comment section and make we see how which artist you attack. Cause in my mind right now, no artist name now forward to thought. You know what I mean? Yeah. No artist name now forward to thought at this point in time. Viewers and subscribers, the correct number one trending track on the tube is Vybz Kartel track, Drone Them. And Little Vibes, Little Addy have a track. You know what I mean? Yes. And that track I tell the viewers and subscribers, it have a vibe, it have the energy. One thing when you them drop music, it always have the vibe. I tell you about Little Addy, dollar sign. Dollar sign. The dollar is a simple, catchy chorus and a hook, as well as in a hip hop music. But it work. It definitely work, viewers and subscribers, and the artist don't sound nothing like Vybz Kartel. Him sound like him own individual artist. I respect him as an artist and I want to check him off. You know why I respect him? Him never that try to sound like Vybz Kartel. And I would them would be the only set of artists where if them it sound like Vybz Kartel, dancehall would have no problem. We wouldn't care. We just say, man, and the man you them and them for sound like him. We see only part of the artists try. But viewers and subscribers, him have him own voice, him have him own unique sound. Little Vibes have him own vibes within himself. Him not sound nothing like Teacher. Some people might say, you know, references here and there. So I must say, him have a line on the track where he must say, yo, where him wear, but you can wear what you like. And when him say it just remind me of the Vybz Kartel track when he must say, yo, the new Nike, and you know what I mean, the new bike. And remember, it remind me of the flow there, and the vibe then a rhyme there. But viewers and subscribers, separate and apart from that, when me hear him from a track, I not have to ask who. And as I said, the youth them that have no whole heap of releases and them voice, you can still hear them voice and identify say them. Yo, them have a promising career in music. Should they choose to pursue music as a career, viewers and subscribers? The comment section is always open at 24/7 in a lot no time. So drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts. Let me know if you agree with the statements. Let me know if you agree with the statements. And we know if we are in agreement. If we are not, drop a comment. I will still respond, you know what I mean? As long as you do it respectfully. You know what I mean? No thing. But viewers and subscribers, may I point out, so the youth them have them own sound, very unique sound at that. Dancehall musical look for energy like this. You know what I mean? Young, fresh faces to the music game. We have bring something to it, have them own unique vibe. Yo, you know, have no strategy in play as an early artist, you know, because remember, as you go along, you will learn more. You know what I mean? And can expect, our people will know have an expectation from you for drop a certain level of, you know what I mean, music. But at this point in time currently, I feel like say, yo, the youth them are do extremely well. And all hear from them are 2 tracks. 2 tracks separately and 1 track with themselves. You know what I mean? You know the something of viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good looking at dancehall music. When we can see a legacy at work. Vybz Kartel a trend from the same rhythm. And the youth them just drop them track. Well, it released already, but it mix and master out now. So the gravitation is there towards it. People are say, oh, they meet up on the rhythm as well. Because you know, with that juggling rhythm, you have multiple artists on the rhythm. But normally that breakout track, that standout track, and Vybz Kartel track, Drone Them, was definitely that standout track. So people never even realize, say, yo, you have other artists on the rhythm. Me myself never know. If you didn't know, you can drop it in the comment section as well. But me myself never know, say that no other artists on the rhythm. I never even show if it was a juggling. Know that me hear them on the rhythm, I know it's a juggling rhythm because them on the rhythm as well. So viewers and subscribers, very, very exciting time. The legacy is at work. The legacy is at work, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel, Little Addy, and Little Vibes. And on the same person I talk about are 3 individual artists. And them are rock dancehall music at this point in time. Yeah, them are rock dancehall music. Viewers and subscribers, as I must say, the comment section is always open at 24/7. It open in a lot, no time. So drop your comment in the comment section. I know what your thoughts, what your opinion, what you feel. You know what I mean? Yeah, you like the track? What you feel about Vybz Kartel track trending with the amount of views where it have been the most talked about track, even though we have a dancehall competition occur at this moment in time. Amidst a dancehall competition, the Teacher still stand out. And right now about, me just say, Alkaline and Team 3 artists them, Chronicler, Squash, even Jamil get involved. There's so much artists involved in that. And Vibes Cartel is still trending viewers and subscribers. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, and we have just had another exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. So if you're new to the movement, may I remind you over, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now I mean, if you like, we're able to like as well and a share. So until the reason again, viewers and subscribers, live, love and prosper. And I'm out.